Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing video. I want to say a huge thank you to Superline Collection for sponsoring our 1 million giveaway, 1 million subscriber giveaway. The giveaway is not out yet. Oops! It's not out yet. I'm making sure I show you everything that I have, and I'll start packing the hair. Once I have enough hair for 100 people, then we start the giveaway. And I think I should hit that number by next week because I'm waiting on Shake and Go and hopefully Model. I'm waiting on a few more companies to send me whatever they have for me. And I really appreciating this company for giving me free hair. Because all these hair is for you, but I'm making sure I have enough before I start the giveaway. I'm just showing you what I have, okay? Let's start with the first box. I recently started using Superline hair. Great hair so far. And thank you very much to Superline. I really appreciate it. I did an unboxing video showing you some crazy color that they have. Some very unique colors. I'm not sure what they sent this time. We'll take a look. Let me hurry up. The box does say fragile, or whatever. Let's see what it is. Oh! Woo! It says Beauty Can Braid. So they did tell me there's one thing in the box that's for me that I should not give away, so it must be this box. Ah! Let me hold this on the side. Let's see what else in there. Okay. Okay, this one's Beauty Can Braid Superline Collection. Those things are unique. Let's see what else we. Oh my God. Oh, they did tell me about these bags, but I didn't expect them to be so big. Okay, let's see. Another. Okay, now I can move this. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, so this must be mine. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I gotta be careful because of the color. Whew. Okay, Superline. It says Superline Collection Beauty Can Braid. Is that a personal note? Let's see. Let's see what it says. It says, congratulations, Beauty. It's amazing to see your hard work and dedication being recognized. Are you reading too? Okay. Keep up the beautiful work. I'll be here waiting for the next. Oh, you're waiting for 2 million. Here's a little something for you. Okay, so this is mine. Here's a little something for you and your lovely viewers. See, Superline is calling you lovely. Well, thank you, Superline Collection. Thank you very much. I'll make sure I save this. Let me see what's in there for me. Because definitely the bigger bag is for me. Obviously, the bigger bag is for me. See what's in. Okay. Oh. Wait a minute. This is custom made. See, this is Beauty Can Braid Super. Oh. This is so nice. Thank you very much, Superline. Let me be careful with these things. I can't be throwing things away now. I need to be careful. Oh, okay. What is this? Vacuum. Let me just open it. Oh, it's another cup. I love red. Oh, they did ask me for my favorite color. I did tell them it's this color. Okay. This one says Beauty Can Braid Superline. I think this will keep your liquid hot. So this is perfect for my tea. Because I stopped coffee for a while. Okay, this is hair. and it's white. I haven't seen locks this color. So, okay, that's nice. It's 11-inch, 24 locks in the pack. So, thank you very much, Superline. Let's see what else in there. Okay, so this one has hair in it. Wait a minute now. What is this? Shh. Oof, that thing just hit my face. Okay, mini locks, curly 40-inch. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this. Oh, wow. You see? Thank you very much, Superline. This is very nice. Let's see what else I got here. Okay, so this is mine. The hair is very nice. I'll make sure I put these on the side. Make sure I don't mess up my bag. Thank you very much, Superline, for this. This is another nice bag. Let's see what's inside of it. I believe one person would just get a whole bag. Oh, another cup. Let me put it right back the way it was so I don't get things mixed up. It has a very nice cup in it that says Beauty Can Braid. Oh, that is so nice. Let's see what I have here. Okay. You see this hair right here? These normally when you open them, you tend not to let's see. Okay, so it's open already. I just didn't want to mess it up, because definitely this is not my bag, so I don't want to mess up nobody's hair. But let's take a look at this right here. This is pretty. Thank you to Superline. Let me hurry up before that video is 10 minutes. But I appreciate every single thing that you send. We have one more box to open. See, this is pretty. Let me put it right back here, because this is for somebody. And I can tell you it's 6 inside. And I think this looked like a purple. Oof. This is like a purple. You'll see this color better on daylight. T1B purple. Thank you very much to Superline. And this is how the hair looks like. I'll make sure I ask Superline which website is selling those hair, so I can make sure I link them in case you don't win anything, because 1 million, not everybody will get hair, unfortunately. Okay, let's see what's in this. Okay, I'll go a little faster. It's the same cup for one person, and these right here, they're just smaller, and this is Ombre 1B27. I'll go a little faster. And it got 6 in it. Let's see what this one is too. The cup again. And this must be a wig. That wig name is Keisha. She is 1B purple. Okay, I'm not gonna open and mess up the wig, but this is let's see if it says human. 100 Remy human hair tangle free. And her name is Keisha. Very nice. So that's for one person. This is very nice. Thank you very much to Superline Collection. Oh, and let me hurry up with this box. These 2 boxes came today. No, one came yesterday and the other one came today. And shipping was so quick. I really appreciate this company. I just started dealing with them, and I'm telling you, they're very nice to me. Okay, so it's basically the same thing. Nice bag, and then some nice stuff inside of them. Let me check. So the bags have different stuff in them. This is so nice. Okay, that's the hair that they sent me, so other people will get that too. These locks look like it's yarn. See, that's the one that I showed you at the beginning. Yeah, they feel like yarn. Let's see if it says yarn. Okay, does it say yarn? One pack has 3 bundles in it. Oh yeah, it is definitely light. Premium quality fiber. Probably that's where the yarn is like hidden or something. But it feels like it's yarn. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's see. I think everyone is getting a nice cup. Yeah, this is the Beautykin Braid cup. This is so nice. Okay. Okay. Let's see. And they packed everything so nicely. This is the cup again, and then some locks. Okay. Same thing. Oh, they have different color of the bags and everything. So people are getting the bags. This is what I'll do. I'll start counting how many bags I receive, because definitely is the locks and the cup and the nice bag. This is blue bag with my name on it, and the Superline collection. This is so nice, and the bag is so firm. Thank you very much to Superline collection. I'm gonna stop the video right here. I'm gonna just double check how many bags I have in total, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay guys, in total I found 15 bags with gift inside of them, minus mine, so that makes it 16. And this, look what I found in some of the bags: bundles and closures. That's amazing. Thank you very much to Superline collection. Look, bundles. Let's see. What a closure. Okay, closure. Bundles and closure. This is amazing. Thank you very much to oh, bundle again, to Superline collection. Out of 100 winners, they're covering 15, which is amazing. And I do have leftovers from what they sent me months ago. I have leftovers of all these hair. I'll add that too, because I'm not gonna use all these hair. I'm gonna add that just to make it 20 from them, and then I'll be packing hair from other companies too. I think we'll reach 100 by next week. I really appreciate you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Superline collection is on Instagram. Please go ahead and follow them. I'll make sure I link all that too in the info box, and then once the actual giveaway video come out, please show love to these companies, because they're very supporting this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next up, I think I'm unboxing for Janet collection. It's huge. Stay tuned for that.